IIDE gave me confidence to pitch for bigger brands. If a year ago, if someone would have told me that I would be working for a bigger agency, I probably wouldn't have believed it. Hi, my name is Vedang and I'm working for Viewmaker in the planning and strategy team for the brand Viewmaker team. Before IIDE, I was doing my BMM and I always had a soft corner of advertising. In that time, I was looking for PG courses wherein I came across IIDE's PG program in digital marketing. The one thing I learned at IIDE was research, because in bachelors we never do a lot of research. It's like just a project submission. It's just for the sake. But at IIDE, you just get in that subject, get in the depths of it, do a lot of research and use your brains, not just what textbook says. I got a lot of one-on-one mentoring from all the trainers and visiting faculty. Having worked for brands like L&T, Hamleys, Levi's, etc., we got to understand like what sort of remarketing they are doing, what sort of ads they are doing for Facebook, Google, and for YouTube also. Since my role at Viewmaker is more into planning, it helps me do my work with more efficiency. It basically made me industry ready. If you're looking for an online digital marketing course, IIDE is the place to go.